In this video, we'll go through applying Clipart and creating color blocks on your Jakroo custom cycling kit. Applying Clipart. To access the Clipart tab, go to the Customization interface and click on the Clipart tab. Clicking the Add Clipart button will give you access to the Clipart library. You can browse available Clipart or use keywords to find specific ones that match your preferences. To apply your Clipart, choose your desired Clipart from the library. Then, click anywhere on the cycling kit design to apply it. After applying the Clipart, make necessary adjustments like resizing, changing colors, or rotating to suit your preferences. Select and drag the Clipart to move it to any location on the kit that fits your design. Changing Clipart color. Select the Clipart. Click Fill and choose the color for your Clipart graphic. Add an outline to it by clicking Outline. Then adjust the outline thickness by clicking and dragging your cursor. Editing your Clipart. After selecting your graphic, click the blue copy icon located on the top right of your graphic, and a duplicate of your Clipart graphic will appear. Delete your Clipart by selecting the Clipart graphic and clicking the red icon. Rotate your graphic by selecting it, then dragging the blue button on the bottom left corner. The Free Constraints feature is useful if you would like to stretch a graphic so it is wider but not taller, and vice versa. You can adjust the free or fixed constraints by clicking the lock icon. Red means the constraints are a fixed ratio, and gray means the constraints are free. Scale your graphic by clicking and dragging the blue button on the bottom right to scale up or down. You may also adjust position, mirroring, rotation, and scale using the fields on the left side tab. You can also mirror your selected graphic by clicking the top middle blue button. Layering graphics. To bring a graphic to the front layer, select your graphic. Then click the center bottom blue icon. This will bring the selected graphic forward. Adding custom bands and color blocking. To add custom faux bands, scroll to the bottom of the Clipart library. Choose a band design, place it on your kit design, and adjust as needed. To create color blocks, search for the square Clipart. Select, apply, and scale it to cover the desired area. Adjust color and use layering to place graphics on top. Tips for placing graphics. For help aligning your artwork, turn on the guides by clicking the Guidelines button in the Customization interface. Use these guides to assist you in aligning your graphics. During pre-production, our designers will ensure proper alignment, centering, and consistent spacing of all of your graphics. So, if you aim to get reasonably close, we'll take care of the rest.